All right, so we bought ourselves a mini microwave oven. It's kind of a small retro thing. That's why we're filming it, because it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
For the RV, for the A-frame pop-up. Careful with that axe, Eugene.
Yeah.
I'm not getting near her. She's going to stab me.
Yeah, I don't have the blade all the way up.
See if I can handle it.
Yeah, it's one of those like seafoam green 1950s looking.
Oh, look at that. They got the glass plate right at the top.
Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, that's
Microwave oven. Oh,
definitely.
here's
Yeah.
the
These are definitely smaller than a regular size microwave.
Yeah, you can tell by the size of that glass that it's kind of a mini one, so.
A
Hey!
random piece of paper.
Holy mackerel.
Random piece of plastic.
Oh, that's a cool color. Like
Yeah.
seafoam green here. I don't know, can you help this or not?
Let's see.
You might have to
Yeah.
use it. Okay.
Fun.
Do this. I'll take care of this.
So cute. Look at that.
Let me zoom in on it here. Let me come in. Yeah, look at that. It's very,
Yay.
oh, I set this right on there.
Oh,
That's not
oops.
good. That's very 50s looking.
That is, I like how it's not too bright. It's like kind of this muted,
Yeah.
almost like a robin's
Yeah.
egg blue.
The reason we bought this color, we were kind of looking for something this color, and it's too funny that they have like a bunch of different versions of these microwaves in different colors, is we'd bought a little fan for the table in our little travel trailer, and we kind of wanted to match that color, and this is pretty dang close actually. So, okay, we got a piece of tape in here holding that down, and then that I think just sits in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if I can just sit right on top of that. I guess that's it.
Is that
Doesn't
right?
seem right, does it?
No, I guess it's supposed to have a little bit of play there, I guess.
Yep, that's pretty tight as far as this glass goes.
Yeah.
It's like right up against it. Let's see if we can plug it in here. Had to move it in the kitchen. We couldn't find an extension cord.
Yeah. It's
I
pretty short.
didn't want to
but-
go outside for it, so. All right.
Ooh, I like the blue.
Yeah, that
nice.
looks kind of neat, huh?
Yeah.
So we don't know how to, we're going to have to read the manual to set time, but A1 through 9, I think that means automatic, 1 through 9. Oh, here, popcorn, beverage, vegetables. Let's see if I could zoom in on that for people here. Let's take a look at that. Look at that. It's got 9 preset things: soup, pizza, meat, potatoes. I wonder how long the time frames are on that. And then that's like, I don't know what the heck these things mean. We're going to have to read the manual to find out what the hieroglyphics are all about. But that's pretty cool. We'll just leave it at this, and then let's go out and put it in the trailer here. Well, that worked out pretty good. Look at that. That thing fits right in there. I didn't know it was going to fit like that. That's where we planned on putting it. And we're not sure if we're going to mount it yet, but I don't think we're going to. I think we'll just wrap it up in a towel and put it on the floor when we're traveling. But that really worked out good. That's right. Tucks right in there. So awesome. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. That'll help our channel grow. You can check out another video right there. Check out our channel over here. We got over 2,500 videos on stuff like this and tiny houses and animals and travel, all kinds of fun stuff. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.